Yes, students, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait 2 minutes, students. Yes, students, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the last class, we were discussing this program, that is jQuery program. Here we are I included some of the CSS concept, that is cascading style sheet. So here three classes I have taken, student, that is blue, important, two classes I have taken. So blue class is blue class I'm applying for H1, H2, P tag and ordered list, and the div tag also I have. To this div tag, the class name I have taken important. So for any class name you can take. So there I have declared or I have defined the properties, which are the properties we need to apply for that div tag. And one more thing I have added here, students, I have taken a table. Yes, can you see this? The table I have taken, students. The table I have taken, and what content I have written in the table. See here, this is a table tag. This is the table tag. To this, in this table tag, I'm taking some student information, that is name and student ID. I'm taking students, and for this table, I have taken a class. What are the properties I have declared for this class is the content of the color of a table is red, and the border is dotted. Border is dotted, and the size this. So here, okay. So I'm just giving the border style dotted and color red. Yes, students, you are understanding now what I have included the new thing here. Here I have included a table. So the content, what all the things I'm adding in the table is that is student name and student ID. Student name and student ID I'm adding to that file. Now I'm refreshing this. So I'm running this program, students. See here the heading 1, heading 2 and heading 4, the ordered list and some of the paragraph content and the table tag. Yes, table tag, student ID and student name. So 3 student details I have included. So now I will click on the button. So what is happening? What is happening, students? Whatever the properties I have declared or I have used for table tag, is it applied? Is it applied? Yes, students? Respond. See the proper border style dotted, and the content of the color of a table tag should be red. The color of a table tag should be red, and the font size also I will include. Font size large. Now I will refresh. You can observe. Yes, students. Yes, students.
Yes, ma'am. It's changed.
So this is how you can append the CSS, or you can include a CSS file, CSS concepts in the jQuery program. See, students, here the CSS, what I have done, I have combined the CSS, HTML tag and jQuery. So this is a jQuery. This is jQuery, and in here, which are the tags I'm using? H1, H2, H1 ordered list, div tag, table tag, and the paragraph tag. And here I'm applying the properties. I'm applying the properties. Like this, you can modify or you can edit or you can design your web page. You can design your web page. Yes, students, understood? Is coming back to our lab program. Students, how many of you executed all the programs? Even after telling so many times, still many of the students have not executed because still the outputs are pending. The output of fifth and sixth program, still 11 students.
बेवकूफ से
Huh? Yes. Uma, Darshan. Why Darshan you have not executed? Last
I
time.
assume I have completed it.
Then why you have not uploaded your output? Mohit, Soumyashri, Veena, Anusha, Pavan. Pavan, you are there in all the list. You're so busy, you're not getting time to execute the executed programs. Huh? Pavan, are you there, Pavan? Pavan. Shada Bansari, mute yourself. I think you're watching movie.
देखिए ना किस पे आएगा
Ansari, mute.
ओ
See, program 8th and 9th, 28 students have not uploaded. See, students, by 30th June, you are supposed to submit the synopsis. You had internals, so even I understand students, they study. So that's why I have given 2 days time. See, whenever you are asking time for any submission, I am giving the time. Even after giving so much of relaxation, why you people are not submitting the output? Then from next lab onwards, I have to, during lab time only, I should make you to execute that program, and I will ask you to share your screen and show the output. That will be better. From next lab onwards, I'll do that only. Anyway, in one session, I am going to complete all the part A programs, and only part B will be left out. And you already started working on part B programs on your mini project. So next to Wednesday, I'll call Nagbhushan sir, and whatever if you have any doubts, you can talk to Nagbhushan sir, and he will instruct you. Because many of you have some doubts, know how to connect it database and all. I will request sir to take one session. Hello. Yes, students, anybody tried seventh program? Seventh program, develop and demonstrate HTML tag, HTML5 page, which contains dynamic progress bar. A, that is A, and B is display the video file using HTML5 video tag. Anybody tried?
No, ma'am.
Why? Execute ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ programs ನೀವು run ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Huh? Many of the students are not executing the executed program, the program which I executed, the ready-made program I am giving students. Those ready-made programs only you are not able to execute. Why? What is the reason? Pavan, can you hear me, Pavan? Pavan. I think he just logged in and he went somewhere. He's there in the list.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Then I'm calling you from 5 minutes and you're not responding. Yes, you're not understanding the programs.
No, ma'am. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ why you're not executing and uploading the output in GCR? You are there in all the list from first program to 10th program.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 8th 9th ಮತ್ತೆ 10th 9th ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ? Then why not the beginning programs?
ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಕೇಳೋದು? ಒಬ್ರೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ?
ಸಾರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಇವತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Yes, students, in last class I explained you program 10B. 10B na, 1 minute. Now 10A explained, that is develop and demonstrate using jQuery to solve the following. That is, A, limit the character input in the text area including count. So you have to take a text box or text area. So there you need to limit the number of text. It may be 10 characters or 20 characters or 30 characters, but you have to limit the number of characters. And after the maximum size what you give, if it is 30, then you should not take a 11th character. That I have shown you. But I told you that when I am entering the first character, when I enter the first character, if the size is 10, then below it should display the message that is remaining 9 characters. When you enter the second character, then down it should update the remaining characters, 8 characters. Anybody tried that?
Yes, ma'am.
Got the output? Can you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That is A, and B is based on the checkbox, disable and enable the form submit button. So you need to take a button with the checkbox. So if you click on a checkbox, then button should be enabled. If you uncheck the checkbox, then button should be disabled. Like that, you need to execute the program. Anybody tried 10th program, students?
So I tried both the programs, but
Ma'am.
it was not executing completely.
Okay. Share your screen. Yes, Panindra, you also executed.
Ma'am, 10th A I executed.
Okay. B, still you are trying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Those who have executed 10th program, quickly you share your screen and show the output, students. Raman, share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think you have to stop.
Yes. Wait, I'll stop sharing. Now you can share.
No, this is 10A.
Hmm. Okay. Good. Down it is decreasing also.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, I tried 10B also, ma'am, but in this, after checking the checkbox, ma'am, it is
Hmm.
not enabling this button, ma'am. I don't know what.
This is your own code?
Yes, ma'am. I tried with the internet, with the help of internet.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay, Raman. Good. Anybody else?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, shall I share the
Yeah, yeah,
screen
I'll
for
share.
seventh B?
Seventh one, huh?
Yes, ma'am, seventh B.
Oh, okay, okay. Share.
Hi, guys. This is Balpendra on Crime Report.
What about the other one, the progress bar?
I haven't done the progress bar yet, ma'am. After I finish, I'll send it, ma'am.
Okay. Because this one I already executed. Okay. Okay. Yes, students, anybody else?
Yes, ma'am. I've done the 10B. ma'am.
Rupak, I'm not able to see. You have not shared the screen.
Ma'am, I've shared.
Stop sharing and share it once again.
Ma'am, now is it visible?
Yeah. What about girls? Girls, nobody is showing. Dakshani, Lakshmi, Anusha. Okay,
Ma'am,
good. Huh. One more.
and then
One more, Rupak. Rupak. Yeah, sure. Only the. What about the characters?
Yes, ma'am. For the 10 page.
Okay.
I'm showing now.
Okay.
Yes, this one. I've limited to 15 characters.
Good.
Ma'am, for that report, ma'am, how many maximum pages we need to
Report or synopsis?
ma'am, synopsis report?
Maximum 4 to 5 pages.
Okay, ma'am, but when I checked the syllabus, there it was mentioned as 2 pages, ma'am.
Okay, I'm telling maximum 4 to 5 pages. It may be 1 or 2, 3 pages also. Yes, students, anybody else? Only Darshan, Panindra, Rupak, Raman. Only 4 students have executed. What about the remaining students? What about the remaining students? Yes, students, respond. What about the remaining students? Just I'm giving the ready-made program and you're executing. And many of you are not executing also. Then how you will learn? From first module and second module, many of the programs I have executed and I have shared in the GCR. How many of you executed at home? Yes, students. Yes, students, I am running this 10th program. That is 10B. Hello. Yes, see here, students. This is your 10th B program. Here in this program, you need to take a button. You have to take a button and a checkbox. If you click on this checkbox, then this button should be enabled. And if you uncheck this, then it should be disabled. So initially, this checkbox is not checked. So this button is disabled. Now I'll click on this, then it is enabled. See, when I'm clicking on this, is enabled. When you click on the checkbox, then the button is enabled. When you uncheck this, then the button is disabled. So this program is executed by your friend Darshan. He has only executed this program. And one more program, that character program. So when you click on the So the maximum character, he has taken 25 characters. You reverse the program number, Darshan. So here the maximum input of characters 25. See down you can see the line student, that is 25 characters remaining. Still I have not entered any character. So it is showing 25 characters remaining. Now I click on first character. Then remaining how many characters? 24 characters. Girls, nobody is responding. Anyway, I'm going to share these codes in the GCR. You're going to execute, but please, you also try to execute the program, students. So Akrit is asking how you are getting those colors. Yes, I'll explain the code. So see here, this is the jQuery program, students. So in jQuery, what is the question is? The question is based on the checkbox. You need to enable and disable the button in a form. You need to enable and disable the form submit button. So here, this is a button style, the width of the button. Generally, when you take a button in previous program also, we have taken the button compared to that, this size of this button is bigger. The size of this button is bigger, students. So why it is bigger is here he has defined the style, the width and the height of a button, and the radius, border radius 20 pixel. He has defined the style for the button. And coming to the jQuery program, here to disable we have a method, that is disable method. Yes, students, this we have already learned, this disable. So when you disable, see, when you click on the checkbox, then the background color is changing, students. So the button is becoming enable. So see here, the background color, he has defined the background color, that is red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. When it is disable, then it should remove. Yes, Darshan, the same thing you have written now? Darshan.
Huh? Hello?
Yes, Darshan, tell me.
Ma'am, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
See, when you click on when you disable, then these properties should remove, no? These property, whatever you have defined, it should remove, no? The same
Yes,
thing you
ma'am.
have written? Yes. See, students, so in the question, what they have given is when you click on the checkbox, then the button should be enabled. When you uncheck that, then the properties, see, the color what he has given is red, yellow, green. See, red, yellow, green. Can you see this button? Can you see this? They are red, yellow, green. And when you are clicking on this, then these properties should apply. When you are unchecking this, then these properties should be removed. Akrit, that's why the color is changing. That's why the color is changing. So remove the attributes. Remove the attributes. So whatever the properties he has given is, that is font italic, the font size is 11 and the background color is red, yellow, green. So we have a button. Sorry, this we have a checkbox and the label of a checkbox is click on to enable the button. Yes, students, now I am going to share these programs, this 10A and 10B programs in GCR. You study, go through these code and try to execute whatever the concepts here is used. Everything we have discussed in the class. See here, .css. In today's class only I have discussed this. Yes. So whatever the concepts we have discussed, using those concepts only he has used and he has executed this program, and many of your other friends also executed these programs. This is not tough program, students. Please, you also work, students. If you don't put your effort, then you are not able to execute any of the programs. See, 8th and 9th program, how many students have not submitted the output? 28 students. Abhilash, Bhargav, Novel, Arifullah, Chaitra, Charan, Hemalata. See, so many students are not uploaded. See, after practicing also, if you are not able to get the output, or if you are not able to understand the program, then definitely I'll help you. See, the ready-made program only you are not executing. See, program number 10 and 11, 37 students have not uploaded. See, so many students are there. Yes.
Shall I share my screen now?
Yeah, sure. Wait 1 second. I'll stop sharing.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you can share.
Is it visible now?
No, it is visible. Okay, next.
Showing you. Ma'am, I have a doubt in this program, ma'am.
Okay.
When we enter 001, ma'am.
Which program?
Ma'am, reversing a number, ma'am.
Okay,
It should show 100 now, ma'am.
It is showing 1, huh? If
Yes,
it is showing 1 also, no problem.
But it should be 100 now, ma'am.
No problem.
Ma'am, it doesn't give 100 because he has taken integer number, ma'am. String kotre 100. Integer is 1.
String code nodo. But 001, 1, both are okay only, no? Same only, no?
Yes, ma'am. Reverse only, sir. Change the data type to string. So for 1, 2, 3, what it is showing?
It is showing correctly.
For 100 is for 100 also it is showing 0, 1 only.
One only, ma'am.
Okay. I'm not try this. Okay, I'll check once. Sorry, I'll check once.
Okay, ma'am.
ಯಾವ್ದಿದು program number?
Ma'am, 6B, ma'am.
6B. Okay.
Shall I stop? ma'am?
Yeah, stop. Next, who wants to share?
Ma'am, progress bar, I completed it now.
Share this thing.
Ma'am, button click ಗೆ increment ಮಾಡತರ ಮಾಡಿ.
One click ಅಲ್ಲಿ full progress bar end ಹೋಗೋ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that will be better.
Yes, ma'am. ಅದು ಟೈಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಇದು ಕೋಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ, increment. Score time maximum. So increment get element ID progress bar. Okay, correct.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಲೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್.
ಡಿಲೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಸ್. Good. Yes, what about other students? Only Panindra, Darshan, Kaushik, Raman, Rupak, and Benaka. Only few students are showing. What about the remaining students? Yes, Lakshmi, Dakshayani.
Ma'am, I have logged in through phone, ma'am. I don't have my laptop right now, so I will share in the next class. Ma'am, even I don't have laptop, ma'am. I have logged in from phone.
See, when I ask during the lab session, also you will tell the same thing. When I ask,
Ma'am, but we're executing, ma'am, after the lab sessions, and we're uploading also.
Rashmi, Varsha.
Yes, ma'am. Even I don't have my laptop, ma'am.
These students next lab, next Wednesday, make sure that all should log in through your laptop only. Next lab, you request your parents or your sister, your brother, or at least for 10 minutes. See, only 10 minutes you use your laptop to share your screen and to show the output. 10 minutes. Yes, students, I'm uploading the 10A and 10B programs. Next week, I don't want to listen any stories to any reason, students. Just 10 minutes. You request your parents, brother, sister. Just 10 minutes, you share your screen and show the output. Yes, students, anybody wants to share your screen? Anybody executed? Those who have executed, they can share the screen and show the output.
I want to say 8th program, ma'am.
Yes.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah. Click on the last part. Okay. It's working. Is anybody else? ಬೇಗ share ಮಾಡಿ. Those are executed.
Ma'am, I'll show 11B, ma'am, now.
Okay. Level B, which is that program? What is the problem statement of 11B program?
Ma'am, that one, ma'am. Fade in, fade out. That one.
Okay.
11 bit eliminate.
Yes, students. Anybody executed fourth program which I have not executed, which I have not explained?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I share the screen, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yeah. This is A, no? What about B, progress bar?
That's it, ma'am.
Okay. Next, anybody?
Ma'am, I tried a different type of calculator program, ma'am. It was not given in our syllabus. Just
Okay.
for that.
Okay. No. Okay. Can you show the code? Okay. Please. Yes, this is also correct, uh, but according to the program, they have asked this you can, content beyond the syllabus you can show. Yeah, this is the program which asked in the syllabus. What Arifullah, you want to say anything? Arifullah, you're in queue. You are raising your hand. What Arifullah? What do you want to tell?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Okay. Anybody else, students? Anybody else wants to share? Answer your attendance, students. One. Question 1,
Yes, ma'am.
2,
Yes, ma'am.
3,
Yes, ma'am.
4,
Yes, ma'am.
6,
Yes, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Yes, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Yes, ma'am.
11,
Yes, ma'am.
12, 13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15,
Yes, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Yes, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24, 24 ಯಾರು? ದಿವ್ಯಾ.
Ma'am, she's present, ma'am.
25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28,
Present, ma'am.
29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35,
Yes, ma'am.
36,
Present, ma'am.
37,
Present, ma'am.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39, 40,
Yes, ma'am.
41,
Present.
42,
Present, ma'am. 41 present.
43,
Present, ma'am.
44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46. Okay. Okay, Sai Kumar, 46. Shashank. Shashank absent. Shashank absent. 47.
Present, ma'am.
46 present, ma'am.
ಅವಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪ. 49.
Later consider.
Ma'am, 40 is present, ma'am.
Okay, 49. Someshri. 50. 51.
Present, ma'am.
52.
Present, ma'am.
53.
Present, ma'am.
54.
Present, ma'am.
55.
Present, ma'am.
56.
Present, ma'am.
57.
Present, ma'am.
58.
Present, ma'am.
59.
Present, ma'am.
Someshri and Spurti both are absent, no?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Spurti is absent. Spurti? Okay, students, I'll stop here. Yes, students, please execute the programs and share the output in GCR. Okay, we'll see in the next class. Thank you.